Hey Facebook, this is your boy Walter Lundy with Regional IT Services, Professional Technology Assistance, Computer Repair, IT Services, Affordable Domains, as well as a variety of other technical services. I just finished up here and I'm about to head out. Make sure y'all visit our website, www.regionalitservices.com. Can y'all see that behind me? Right there. I used to actually work for that company a while back. It didn't work out there. They actually fired me from that company. They were only paying me $15 an hour, and the problem is that I had a socially awkward fat doofus supervisor that wanted a little butt kissing treatment, and I just couldn't do it. But I actually was already working, but I took it as a second job to basically see some of the tickets that come in and get more experience looking at the different tickets coming in. One thing I noticed is that all the jobs that pay you low, this is where you put up with the most crap at. The jobs that always pay you well, you don't really have to deal with as much. And I do the same thing for myself that I do for that company, that I was doing for that company at $15 an hour. I do it for myself at $65 an hour. So that just show you, the big difference in working for someone and working for yourself versus what you have to put up with working for someone versus working for yourself. It's weird because like in real life, that guy, he'd probably be scared to look me in the eyes, but working for a company, he gets to, be a little bit bold and come at you sideways, being a man of integrity. I can't play that. I'm not gonna bow my head. I don't, take it easy, I don't do good at kissing butt. And I have a hard time sometimes taking orders from people that I don't respect. That may be a personality flaw that I need to work on, but I definitely couldn't operate under that supervisor. And then the sad part is you're getting an A+ technician and don't even know what they lost, and I'm sure they don't really care. But my point is you have to know your value. Don't let other people determine your value. I have supreme confidence in myself.